Good morning, dear students. Okay, today's class about some equations. If the particle starts from its mean position and the extreme position, what are the equations of the displacement when it is traveling from that's mean position or extreme position, something here, at which it starts from. The equation of the displacement is here like this. Okay. Then you can write the equation of the velocity and the acceleration also by using the displacement. Okay. Now the first one like this. You are just one form is very important. We have to remember one point. Consider this is a mean position. Okay. It is a mean position of a particle. When it starts from here, the phi that is called that omega, that phi is nothing but what? Phi is 0. That is phase is 0 when it starts from its mean position. Okay. Next is here. Consider this is the positive extreme position. It is called what? The positive extreme position. And another one is, it is the right side of the mean position. Consider this point as a positive extreme position, and left side of that consider as a negative extreme position. Okay, these two are the extreme positions of the particle which is transformed them. Okay, then it is a mean position. If it is starts from here and something is there. Okay, very simple. See, extreme position means we already know that the displacement at extreme position is maximum and the displacement at mean position is always what? 0. The displacement at mean position is 0 here and the displacement at extreme position is maximum, means it is a positive extreme position, so it is called plus A, and it is called what? The negative extreme position, its displacement call it is a minus A. This is called maximum displacement in negative direction. It is a minus A here, it is a 0 and it is a plus A here. Maximum, it means what? Now this is the mean position of the particle. Now it starts from its mean position. It means what? Y is equal to 0. Our equation is there. Y is equal to A into sine of what? Omega t is there. Omega t plus phi is there, or phi naught is there. Phi naught is there in initial phase. We have to take this phase. Okay. When it starts from its mean position, it is just starts from here. When it starts from its mean position from here, it starts from here. Its mean position is there. What is the value of that? Its value is nothing but what? Substitute y is equal to 0. If it is y is equal to 0 means what? At mean position, the phase is 0. At mean position what? At mean position, first one is here at O. Here what? The phase is, initial phase is 0 here. If the initial phase is 0, then this equation is nothing but what? It is completely 0 now. If it is completely 0, it starts from its mean position. Its equation is what? Y is equals to A into sine of omega t. It's equal to what? Sine of omega t. We have to concentrate at extreme position. What is the angle? What is the phase? We have to concentrate at that point only. Its equation is what? The first equation which starts from its mean position. Here its phase is 0, so that its equation becomes 0. It means the first equation is y is equal to A into sine of omega t. We have to concentrate on the phase only. Okay, then next is at extreme position. Extreme position means what? That phase is maximum. It means what? The phase is pi by 2, because extreme position, that when that amplitude, it means that amplitude or a maximum displacement is there. It means the displacement is maximum only when the phase is what? Pi by 2. Here the phase is what? Pi by 2. If it is pi by 2 then at a second condition I'll write here y is equals to a into sine of omega t plus of what? Pi by 2. Can I write this one as a pi by 2 minus omega, pi by 2 plus omega t. Now this is an odd angle. If it is an odd angle, sine of 90 plus theta is nothing but cos of theta. Sine of 90 plus theta it become what? Cos theta. So that it become what? It is a first quadrant. It is a pi by 2. Pi by 2 it is starts the second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive. So sine is positive now. So it become what? It become what? A into cos of omega. Because what? It is an odd angle. Sine of 90 plus theta is cos theta. So that it is what? A cos theta. Its equation is here. Its equation is y is equal to, when it starts from its maximum extreme position, y is equals to a into cos of omega t. I already told, at extreme position, when the particle starts from its extreme position, its equation is cos omega t. When it starts from its mean position, its equation is sin omega t. Like that. Same. Then the third one, we have to check the third one. Here, third one is here. It is starts from mean position, but it is moving with a negative amplitude. So it means what? Negative displacement. It is moving along the negative displacement, so that it becomes what? Negative is there. Its negative means what? Up to when it is traveling from a mean position to pi by 2, when it reaches again, it means it is moving from its extreme position to mean position, again it is pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. Then it totally pi. Then it is again moving in a negative direction. Then what happened? It starts from its mean position. It means it is nothing but what? Totally it become what? Pi. It starts from pi now. So totally pi means y is equals to, we have equation a into sine of omega t plus of pi. We have to take here plus of pi. It is pi. Now pi is an even angle. It is an even angle. It is nothing but 180 degree. So 180 degrees means the sine is against sine. If it is cos, cos is there. So it become what? But pi is 180. It starts. It means the third quadrant starts here. If the third quadrant starts, it means the sign is negative in third quadrant. That's why it become what? Minus. Then it is minus. It means what? Y is equals to minus of a into sine of omega t. So that if it is pi at mean position, y is equal to 0. Yes, it is right. That equation is what? Y is equal to minus of a into sine of omega t is there. Then fourth equation of this one. What is the equation of that fourth one? Again we have that formula. A is equals to y is equals to a into sine of omega t plus of phi. It is starts from, now the phi, the angle is here. So I will write here that angle at pi by 2 is there. Here the angle is again phi is equals to pi, because it starts from its mean position. That's right. Then again it is starts from here to here. That angle is here. At angle, it means what? It starts from its mean position and reaches the positive extreme position. At this position, the angle is pi by 2 and returns back to the mean position. Again, it takes the mean position by making an angle pi by 2 again. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2. It is at here pi. Then it reaches the negative extreme position and starts to move towards the mean position. It means what? It is starts from the negative extreme position now. It is minimum, it means maximum in negative direction. Maximum negative direction means what? The angle phi is equal to 3 pi by 2. Its angle is 3 pi by 2. Its angle is 3 pi by 2 now. Then y is equals to what? A into sine of omega t plus of 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is nothing but 270 degree. 270 degree is again odd angle. If it is odd angle, then again what? Sine of angle, that is odd angle, anything 270. Sine 270 plus theta is again what? Cos theta. But that 270 degree, it means what? It is nothing but again this is third quadrant is NCL. The fourth quadrant is cos. It means what? 270 degree. At that, the sign is again negative. The sign is negative, it means what? The sign is negative, 270 plus theta is cos theta, then y is equal to what happened? Minus of a into cos of omega t. It is right? It starts from extreme position. Its graph is very simple. It is nothing but, it is a linear graph. It is nothing but like this. See here. When it is the displacement and it is here, time is there. Okay, angles are there. Here it is a mean position. It is the mean position. Here the angle considered as a 0 and here angle considered as a pi by 2. Here the angle considered as a pi and the angle considered as a 3 pi by 2. Here completely what? 2 pi. Very simple. See here, maximum displacement is nothing but an amplitude. Here the maximum displacement. But initially it starts from its mean position, it means at here. It starts from its mean position at here means it takes the maximum displacement. Yes. Starts from here, equation will become like this. When it starts from up to here, its equation y is equal to a into sine of omega t. It is right. It is right. I'll write in out of that graph. Y is equal to a into sine of omega t. Correct. When it starts from its mean, its extreme position, extreme position means above the time axis, it is a positive. Here y is equal to plus a. Extreme position is there. Extreme position, it is moving towards the mean position again. It is again moving towards the mean position. Now it is mean position means what? Its equation become what? Y is equals to cos omega t. Because at here, what is the angle? Pi by 2. Again, I take here pi by 2. I take here pi by 2. Then after that, it reaches the maximum position, pi by 2, here up to pi by 2, again pi by 2 become what? Pi. Next, it reaches again the mean position, At here, it is moving in a negative direction. It is moving in a negative direction like this. Then what is the angle at here? The pi. If it is a pi, then what is the minus of a into sine omega t, because it is a negative direction. At here what? Y is equal to minus a. Y equal to minus a. Correct. Then again it starts from its mean, its extreme position. It is a negative extreme position. It is what? Positive extreme position. It is what? Negative extreme position. When it starts from its negative extreme position, it is reaches again its mean position. It reaches again its mean position means what? Its equation become what? Y is equals to a sine. A cos omega t with minus sign because it starts from the negative direction. So negative like this. These are the graphs. If you write like this, we have to concentrate these two positions. At y is equals to minus a, if y is equals to minus a, the angle should be what? The 3 pi divided by 2. 3 pi by 2. At mean position, that angle phi should be 0, pi and 2 pi. There are three conditions. 2 pi again, so on. Here also, next so on. But here y is equal to plus a, na? If it is plus a, that will become what? Plus a. Here the angle phi is equals to pi by 2 or something is there. 1 pi by 2, then 1 pi by 2, then after 5 pi by 2, after addition of 4. Okay, for 5 pi by 2 and 9 pi by 2 or something is there. Then here 3 pi by 2, directly it is 3 pi by 2. Again add 4, 7 pi by 2. Again it is 11 pi by 2, so on and there. Okay, these are the graphs. Using these graphs, the equation we written here, the equations of the each graph like this. Okay, next I'll take the next one is oscillation. I hope you understood this one. Now, the one more example is just which is asked in IIT 2009. At 2009, what is the equation? What is the? We have to find the acceleration of that. Okay. The one more example is here. If the particle starts from its mean position or the equilibrium position, here it is a displacement or acceleration is there. Okay. If it is the graph of the acceleration, it starts from here. The acceleration time is there. It is like this, moving like this. And it is traveling. It means it completes one period after the time is 8 seconds. 8 seconds is the time. It is 4 and it is 8. The time is there. Its maximum displacement is also there. I don't know what is the. Find the acceleration. We have to find the acceleration of a particle at t is equals to. I'll take here 4 by 3. 4 by 3 seconds. 4 by 3 seconds is there. What is the acceleration of a particle at t is equals to 4 by 3 seconds? This is the. Okay. Then what is the equation of that? We have the equation of the acceleration. Equation of acceleration of the particle executing simple harmonic motion is nothing but a is equals to minus of omega square into a is a maximum acceleration, but omega square into y is the common form of acceleration. That form is the general form of acceleration is y is equals to nothing but what? A into sine of omega like that. Then it is nothing but what? Omega square into a into cos of omega, sorry, it is sine of omega t. Sine of omega t is there. But here we have to take the total time is 4 by 3 seconds. Here. And what is the time period of that? It completes one period in time is 8 seconds na. Here it completes one period, it is nothing but what? The time period, the capital T is 8 seconds. The capital T is 8 seconds is that omega is equals to what? Omega is equals to 2 pi by T. Then and it is acceleration is equals to omega is equals to 2 pi divided by T. Square is there, then A into sine of what is that? Omega square. Omega is nothing but again 2 pi by t into t is there. A is an acceleration, A is an amplitude here. We have to take like this, okay. Then next one is 2 pi divided by t. 2 pi divided by t is nothing but 4 pi square divided by t is nothing but what? 8. 8 square is 64 into A is remaining, I'll write here. Then again sine of what is that? 2 pi divided by 8 and t is 4 by 3 seconds and 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 gets cancelled, it is pi by 3. Then again it is 4 ones are 4, 16s are here, minus of pi square into a. Okay, pi square into a. Then again it is what? Sine of Pi by 3, sin pi by 3 is nothing but sin 60 degree. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. That I will write here root 3 by 2 here. If it is root 3 by 2, it becomes pi square a divided by 16 is there. Then the direct form is what? Root 3 times of pi square into a divided by 32 is an acceleration. If it is in terms of, okay, now its answer is like this, okay. If the maximum displacement is given like this, I write the general form. If the maximum amplitude, maximum displacement is 1 centimeter, and here up to here it is a 1 centimeter is there now. It means what? It is a minus a, it is a plus a. A is equals to 1 centimeter, it becomes minus 1 centimeter, then it becomes what? If a equal to 1, if a is equals to, if a equal to 1 centimeter, then what happened? Its acceleration is minus of root 3 pi square divided by 32 is there. Centimeter per second square is there. This is the answer for this graph. Very simple is that. In some more examples, okay, we will discuss in next class. Thank you.